Good morning, beautiful people. This is my first time going to use my coffee maker. I put it up on my stove so I can handle it better, so I can get used to it, to know what is what. I think I'm going to use a 10-ounce cup because they have them like this. A big cup, a medium cup, and a small cup. Okay, and it go by the cups, how much you could fill up with the water. Okay, so I'm using my regular little cup. All right, this is where I'm kind of confused at. The paper is still on here. Should I just push it down, and it take the paper, or when it go down, or do you take your paper off? But let's just try it. I'm gonna try it. No, you don't take your paper off. I'm gonna push pause. Me on, and I'm gonna turn this one. That's the one I'm using, the big one right here, and that's the on button. And I hope the coffee come out with. There you go. And that's the water in the back. Only put so much water in there for this cup. You know? But we're going to find out. Okay, it told me to add more water. A blue light came on. Right there. That blue light came on. I added more water to it. But I'm having a problem. I don't see no coffee coming out. I might have to make another cup. I'm kind of lost. I opened it up and have a little tiny hole in there. But maybe the water got to come up. And I don't have a filter. Oh, I think she said a filter. Did I buy a filter? Yes, I got a filter.